Hello everyone, magandang oras sa ating lahat. Welcome to my videos. Maraming salamat sa panonood at lalo na sa mga nag-subscribe. Thank you guys. At kung bago ka pa lang dito sa aking videos, huwag kalimutan mag-like, comment, share and subscribe para updated ka sa aking mga bagong upload na mga videos na mayroong mga gandang kasaysayan at halaga tungkol sa ating mga barya. Guys, ito yung ating coins ngayon guys. Ang 1 half penny ng Australia na mayroong taon na 1939. I-share ko sa inyo guys ang napakagandang history nito at ang ating auction record dahil sobrang taas ang kanyang record dito sa ating auction. Tapusin lang ang video guys para malaman natin ang tungkol dito sa baryang ito guys. The fascinating history of the 1939 Australian half penny coin. Australia's coinage has always been a reflection of its history, economic, and culture. Among these coins, the 1939 half penny holds a special place not just for its rarity but also for the interesting stories behind its minting and design. Whether you're a seasoned collector or a casual history enthusiast, the 1939 Australian half penny is a gem worth exploring. The year 1939 was a tumultuous time globally as a World War II began to take shape back in Australia. The nation was adjusting to economic shifts and growing global tensions. Coin production during this time was influenced by both domestic needs and the broader effects of war. The half penny, first introduced in 1911, was a staple of Australian currency. It was valued at half a penny or 1/480th of the pound. By 1939, the design and production of the coin were undergoing significant changes. The 1939 half penny marked the debut of a new reverse design by George Kroger Gray, replacing the previous one that had been used since 1911. The new design featured a leaping kangaroo, a symbol of synonymous with Australia. Above the kangaroo was the inscription Australia, and below it the year 1939. With half penny in bold lettering, this design is now iconic as it became the standard for Australian half pennies until their discontinuation in 1964. On the obverse side, the coin bore the effigy of King George VI, created by Thomas Humphrey Fidget. This was also a chance, as King George VI had recently ascended the throne after the abdication of his brother Edward VIII in 1939. The 1939 half penny was minted in two major varieties, one produced at the Melbourne Mint and another from the Perth Mint. A total of approximately 6.1 million were struck, making it a relatively common coin in circulation at the time. However, what makes this coin particularly interesting to collectors is the transitional design. Some 1939 half pennies were minted with the older reverse design, the Commonwealth of Australia design, instead of the kangaroo. These are extremely rare and highly sought after. Another aspect of rarity lies in errors. Coin with minting errors such as misaligned dies or double strikes can fetch a significant premium among collectors. The value of a 1939 Australian half penny depends on age condition, rarity, and specific variety. Coins in circulated condition are generally affordable, but uncirculated specimens with a high grade from numismatics organization can command a significant price. If you're fortunate enough to possess a rare variety of error coin, it could be worth thousands of dollars. The 1939 half penny is not just a piece of metal, it's a tangible link to a pivotal time in history. Its design changes reflect Australia's evolving identity, and its connection to World War II adds an additional layer of historical significance. For collectors, it represents a valuable addition to any collection of Australian coinage. The 1939 Australian halfpenny is a testament to the rich history of Australian currency. Whether you're captivated by its design, intrigued by its rarity, or drawn to its historical significance, these coins offer something for everyone. So next time you come across one of these coins, take a moment to appreciate the stories it holds, stories of a nation adapting to change and forging its identity on the global stage. The 1939 halfpenny with the auction records result. The 1939 Australian halfpenny is notable for featuring two distinct reverse designs, the old reverse coat of arms and the kangaroo reverse. The old reverse design had a mintage of approximately 4,670,000 coins, while the kangaroo reverse is scarcer with only about 782,000 coins minted. Addition or the auction results for these coins vary significantly based on the design type and conditions. For instance, a kangaroo reverse halfpenny and mint state 65 or MS65 condition has been valued at approximately 3,450 US dollar. In contrast, an old reverse halfpenny in the same condition is valued around 527 Australian dollar. For fruit version, an old reverse in the fruit PR66 condition has been valued at 22,800 Australian dollars, while the kangaroo reverse in the same grade valued 19,000 Australian dollars. These values are subject to change based on the market demand and the specific characteristics of individual coins. For the most accurate and up-to-date auction records, consulting specialized auction houses or coin dealers is recommended. Thank you for watching everyone, and God bless.